Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 20 alternative ways that can be used in place of saying I miss you. आज की वीडियो में हम 20 मुनफरद जुमले सीखेंगे जो I miss you की जगह इस्तेमाल किए जा सकते हैं. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First alternative way to say I miss you is I need to see you. Second alternative way to say I miss you is I long for you. Third alternative way to say I miss you is I yearn for you. Fourth alternative way to say I miss you is I miss your smile. Fifth alternative way to say I miss you is I miss you so much. Sixth alternative way to say I miss you is I feel sad without you. Seventh alternative way to say I miss you is I wish you were here. Eighth alternative way to say I miss you is you crossed my mind. Ninth alternative way to say I miss you is I hope I see you again. 10th alternative way to say I miss you is I miss seeing your face. 11th alternative way to say I miss you is all I do is think of you. 12th alternative way to say I miss you is you have been on my mind. 13th alternative way to say I miss you is I've been thinking of you. 14th alternative way to say I miss you is I hope I see you again soon. 15th alternative way to say I miss you is I can't wait to see you again. 16th alternative way to say I miss you is I can't stop thinking about you. 17th alternative way to say I miss you is the world is not the same when you are away. 18th alternative way to say I miss you is my life has a void when you are not with me. 19th alternative way to say I miss you is I'm counting the days until I see you again. 20th alternative way to say I miss you is I think of you night and day. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.